Okay. I'm recording you. Okay. Just so we know. Okay.
That's what's gonna have to happen. Okay, my man?
They're not. What's gonna have to happen?
I already explained. They're putting up a fence.
They're not putting up a fence. It's illegal. It's against my constitutional right.
I'm not gonna argue with you about it, man. They are putting up a fence.
You call me ma'am or man?
Man.
Oh, thank God.
They are putting up the fence, okay? And that's just the end.
Under what legalization?
Like I said, you can contact the staff attorney.
No, I don't have to contact them. That's your job as somebody telling me what they can and can't do.
You're right.
You're the police officer. This is a civil matter. It has nothing to do with you.
And you are 1,000% right in that it is a civil matter.
Okay, so why are you here?
Here's what I'm telling you, okay? And here's where it becomes an illegal matter, okay? Is that the fence is being put up. So if you...
Do you understand that you came out here and stopped them from putting the fence up already?
You finished, okay? The fence is being put up.
Okay.
So I can tell you that today, if you destroy their fence, and if you make any type of physical contact with anybody, you are going to go to jail. Okay?
And I'm telling you, you better lawyer up. I'm going to have my lawyer out here in 2 minutes.
That's fine.
We will be here all day because it's against my constitutional right. It's against the statutes of limitation. It's against... I already sent their lawyer the statute. She said, I'll get back to you in 24 hours. That was 8 months ago. Okay. So you tell me why I'm talking to their lawyer and then all of a sudden not talking to you guys when it was a civil matter.
It is a civil matter.
Then why are you here?
Because I am here for the security of the property and the people. That's why I'm here.
It's my property.
Okay.
This is my driveway.
I understand.
You explain to me how I'm supposed to get my construction done that you guys permitted for me. How am I supposed to get it done without access to my property?
My understanding is you have another easement to your property.
Have you used it?
I have.
Go use it and come to my property. Meet me on my property. Let's do it.
I'm not going to do that because it's already been explained. Listen, man, you're making me the enemy here.
I'm not making you the enemy. They are.
The
fact that on
camera in my face.
I have to protect my rights.
Okay, but
do you not understand? You've watched the YouTube videos, correct?
What YouTube videos?
Any YouTube video where we have to protect our rights now because you got people over here giving you money.
You're talking about the YouTube videos.
I'm saying that you have people over here giving you money. You are intruding on my property that I purchased. You're intruding on my driveway that gets me to my property that the statutes of Florida protect. And you are still going against what you're uphold to do, is to uphold the statutes.
So I uphold
the statutes.
The Constitution and criminal statutes in the state of Florida. Okay?
I thought it was just plain statutes.
No, I have no jurisdiction to uphold any.
This is criminal. You can't keep me off my property. It's illegal to make me landlocked. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay. How long you been an officer, sir?
I understand what you were saying. Okay.
What is your badge number?
I understand what you're saying. We don't have badge numbers on our clothes. Okay, my badge number is 6688. Okay.
6688. That's fine.
I understand what you're saying.
And what's your name?
I'm Deputy Rickets. I understand Deputy Rickets. I understand.
Rickets?
Yep.
Okay.
I understand you're upset.
I'm not upset. I have animals on my property. There's no way for you to block me off my property.
And I empathize with your situation.
You're gonna empathize. I'm about to have 300 people down here, so we're about to all empathize together.
Okay.
I'm going to get the news. I got the news people coming. We're going to have everybody down here. Okay. So Star Banner's on the way.
So you don't have the news people coming right now.
I will in 2 seconds.
Okay, you may, but you don't right now.
No, I just said that. I will have them all coming down here.
You have them coming. But again, I'm not.
No, I will have them.
Here's the thing. Here's what I'm getting at. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We're making these empty threats, okay?
No, I'm not. I'm calling them up when I get done recording.
I understand you're upset. I can guarantee you the Star Banner's not coming out here.
Why not?
They're not going to, because this is a civil matter between you and...
You know I've been in the paper already once.
Okay. So here's the thing,
it was back in October 14th.
I have nothing but empathy towards your situation, but this is just where we're at in the process. This is being done today. Okay?
It's not.
And my warning to you is if you touch anybody here, or if you
why would I touch anybody? Do I look violent to you?
I didn't say you are, but I'm just...
Well, you keep saying I'm going to touch somebody. I have to get on my property, so I have to cut down a fence.
Okay, and if you cut down the fence, you will be arrested for criminal mischief.
We'll find out.
All right.
Okay.
So you want to?
I have the business card of your boss that came out here last time. Gave it to me. Told me if they try to put up a fence, you go ahead and cut it down. I have to go back and get it. I kept his business card. I'm not here to, I don't do y'all's payroll. I can't remember everything. Just like.
Well, here's the problem when it becomes criminal, right? So they have shown proof that they own this land. Okay. Hold on. Let me finish because you keep saying stuff and you're not. If this property was 1,000, if you were 1,000% sure that this fence was on your property, and
it's in the middle of the easement, sir.
Let me finish, please. If you were 1,000% sure that this fence was on your property and you cut it down, then yes, it's a civil matter. We can't arrest you. However, here's what I'm telling you. What I'm telling you is it has been reviewed and it has been determined that this is not your property.
Can I see that paperwork?
I don't have it. It's
Then
not
you
your
can't do
property.
it.
Okay, but it's been reviewed by my supervisors.
Then they should be out here.
By our staff attorney.
Get them out here.
No, they don't have. We don't have to show it to you. What I'm telling
you do to cut me off of my access.
You don't have to show it to you. So what I'm getting at, sir, is what I'm telling you is you have no right to cut down their fence. Is what I'm telling you.
Okay, I'm going to though.
So, okay, well you're gonna go to jail.
That's fine. I'm gonna call. Since you won't get your person out here, I'm gonna go back to my house. So you can't block me on my property. I'll have to get off of there.
Okay. Do you want to speak to a supervisor?
Oh, not only do I need to speak to them, I need to speak to everybody. I'm bringing out my family. I'm bringing out everybody. Okay. So I'm just going to call them up. I'm going to go back to my property so you can't block me off of it.
That's fine, but we're setting up this fence. And if
you can do whatever you're not doing anything. You're just standing here. I'm not attacking nobody. I'm going to. I will
go to jail for criminal mischief, sir.
That's what you say. If you allow them to put it up, I will try to go after your job for not upholding your side.
That's fine.
You guys can't come out here, and every time you come out here, if it's me complaining, it's a civil matter. If it's them, I'll let them do whatever they want. Just because they pay your salary doesn't. Okay, then why? How can you let them do this?
Because
how can your superior tell me that only we go to court? If we go to court and they have a court document stating that they can put it up, then they can put it up. Until then, there is no court document. There is no judge stating one way or the other. You let them put it up, I will cut it down.
And if you cut it down, you will go to jail.
You can't put me in jail for getting onto my property.
I'm not asking you a question right now. I am telling you.
I get what you're replying to me. I get that, but it's not going to happen.
You may be saying that you're saying it's not going to happen
because I've already talked to your superior, and you just told me you don't have to bring them out here.
No, I said I'll call one if you want me to. And
bring them on out here.
Well, but here's the thing. If you cut this fence, here's the thing. If you cut this fence, I'm not asking you a question. I am telling you that you will be arrested for criminal mischief, period.
Wouldn't that be funny? The first time I'm ever arrested or put into a cop car will be for you guys taking my access away to my property. Okay. That will be hilarious.
So I'm sorry that you feel this way, but you've been given the information.
You haven't given me no information. I just want you to know you haven't given me no information.
Through your attorneys, you've been given the information.
No, I have not.
Okay.
Their attorney didn't give me no information. I gave her information.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I know.
You have an attorney?
Huh?
You have an attorney, correct?
I can go get one. I have a couple that I talk to, but I don't have one on retainer. I don't need one on retainer. I don't do nothing illegal.
With one through this process?
I talked to their attorney.
Okay.
Their attorney.
But you've been dealing with this for 2 years, correct?
2 years they haven't been able to touch it.
Okay.
Because of the statutes.
Well, my understanding is that for 2 years they've been, and again, I don't have the full story, but what I'm telling you is you should have already been dealing with an attorney if you've been dealing with this for 2 years. So again, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to walk away.
Good. You walk away. I'm going to go back down here.
Okay.
And we'll
of what will happen if you damage their fence. Okay.
You do whatever you got to do.
All right.
Your other superior advised me I can remove it. So we'll see how it goes. They're putting up a fence today, no matter what they said.